Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech, and better late than never, man. It's coming to 7 p.m. here in Hong Kong. Sky's going to nighttime here, but I'm here for you guys, man. I'm here for this very special unboxing of the Mi Max 3 and this special first look right here of the Mi Max 3. There it is, guys. I told you I'd bring it to you guys soon, and here it is, folks. And I'm not sure how I'm gonna take this screen protector off, but I probably won't for now. So let me just kind of give you a tour of this phone as it appears brand new. And this phone is the Mi Max 3. You know what, guys? I want to tell you the story about how I just bought this phone. I came over here at around 5:30 p.m. and asked them, "Do you guys have the Mi Max 3?" They said, "Come back at 7 p.m., 6:40, 7 p.m. I came back, and then a dude came with a box. He showed up with a big box, and they opened the box, and inside the box were two Mi Max 3s. Just two. There were a bunch of other phones, but there were only two Mi Max 3s, and all the lady asked me was, gold or black? And I said, give me that black, baby, because black is where it's at, man. And I went for the black because I loved, and I've seen some, earlier reviews of the Mi Max 3 on Tech Beans, and he has a gold variant here. Well, check it out, guys. I have the black variant right here. And you know what I love about this phone already? I love that kind of bezel there is just unbelievable. Look at that, guys. This is the smallest bezel on a big phone I've seen in my entire life. This is almost edge-to-edge screen. It is spectacular. I'm loving the look of this phone so far. And just gonna show you guys the one that I got here. And bear with me there with the kind of protector over it. Well, I don't have like the actual kind of Wi-Fi set up here, but let me show you here the box of the phone I actually got here. So it is the Mi Max 3 4GB version, 64 gigabytes of storage. And this phone is a 6.9-inch screen. It's got that dual camera setup, similar to the Mi 8 SE and to the other phones I've been testing. And this is the real spec right there, though, guys. 5,500 milliamperes. That is unbelievable. And this phone may be the powerhouse to end all powerhouse phones. I mean, it is unbelievable that this phone has such a huge battery. I mean, we're pretty much getting to the size of almost to the level of the Nexus 7 and other kind of other tablets that came out back in 2013, 2014. This is almost tablet size. This is very close to tablet size right here. And I love that this phone, though, is still able to be held in one hand, and I'm able to kind of enjoy the experience. So let's just kind of experience some of the initial kind of in and outs here. I put full screen gestures on this phone, so, and there you see, you can't connect to network overall, but, and let's kind of turn off there. So you see they have the same specs listed right here on the kind of Mi Max right here. I'm loving the screen so far. In fact, if you guys just hold 1 second, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this plastic right here. So just stay tuned 1 second. 1 second, guys. In fact, let's see if we can kind of film me doing this. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put that right there. Whoa! Oh man, this is the beauty of the Street Tech videos right here. You don't know which way they're gonna go. But here we are, guys. I just took off the plastic there, and there it is, guys, in all its glory. Oh my God, this is absolutely amazing. I'd never imagined to see such a big screen in my hand. This is like a tablet. This is like holding a tablet in your hand. It's unbelievable. And let's do now a quick, can I get to it? Ah! I can't get to it. Okay, let's do that. And let's do a quick shot there. And there's the sex shop as usual. And so we're gonna take a quick shot here of the sex shop on the Mi Max 3. Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And quick shutter there, guys. Very quick shutter, and immediately I can tell. Let's go to gallery there to look at that photo. I can tell already that this phone, you can see I'm struggling to kind of like actually hold this with one hand. But this phone, let's have a look here. Oh, and there you see, there's a dual watermark there. There's a watermark, Mi Max 3. And let's have a look there. Oh my God. This may just be my new favorite phone ever. This may just be it. Unbelievable. What an amazing shot there. I don't think I need to go into battery life about this phone because the battery life on this phone is something stellar. And just looking at the sideways there, it looks just like I think it's gonna look just like the Mi A2 right here. And it's got that beautiful kind of metal body design. It looks amazing. I can't wait to test this phone out for you guys. I'm so excited I was able to get this today. I was hoping to get it on the day it was announced on Friday, but you know what? Hey, Friday to Monday, not a bad period of time there. So, you know what, guys? I'm really excited, and I can't wait to share the rest of my experiences here of the Mi Max 3 right here on Frankie Tech. So stay tuned, guys. If you like this video, definitely hit me up with that thumbs up. And if you love the content here, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, and stay tuned, guys, because this is going to be a maximum month as I test this Mi Max 3 over the next month here on Frankie Tech. So stay tuned, guys. And I guess I leave you here with saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.